Newspapers are considered as a vital part of UPSC civil services preparation, and thus it is important to know how we can study, comprehend, and use the newspaper content in our answers to make them better from the others. Hello everyone, I am Vijay, and today at the end of this video, you would be well versed with the how and why related to newspapers. So first things first, we would see the why behind the newspapers. So they provide the facts and examples along with the arguments which can make our answers and essays more powerful. For example, the example of Odisha Sarpanch, which I have already told in the previous video, it is a very good example in questions related to vaccine hesitancy. Along with that, they also provide the way forwards and the good conclusions which can be used in our answers to make them better, to make them different from the others. So to illustrate this, I have taken few examples. First is the related to drone attack which was happened to the airbase in the Jammu. So let us locate this. So it can be located in the internal security, where syllabus points are role of external state and non-state actors, then challenges to internal security, cyber security, and the border management all apart. So moving to the editorial, actually this editorial has already been shared in the Telegram group, so you can find it there as well. Firstly, this editorial provides the good keywords like new mode of terrorism and future of terrorism. So whenever the question of drone attack would come, we can write that this indicates the new mode of terrorism. We can also introduce our answer by saying that recent attack in the airbase, Indian Air Force base in Jammu indicates the new rise of new mode of terrorism. Okay, so this was the use of keywords. Apart from that, Syria and Houthi rebels examples have been given to illustrate that how the drone and new modes of terrorism are witnessed all over the world. So this can be used wherever we want. If there is question of new modes of terrorism in at the international places, then obviously we can use this. Apart from that, this paragraph indicates various reasons behind the rise of this new modes of terrorism. Firstly, it indicates that there is reduced cost as well as less risk of identification. This is one reason behind the rise of these uh, attacks. Secondly, it highlights the useless existing international frameworks like Wassenaar and MTCR. So this is second reason. Third reason is rapid rise of artificial intelligence like technologies. And fourth is the yeah. So these are the reasons behind the rise of new modes of terrorism like drone attack. So alternatively, we can use these points only to indicate that how we can provide the way forward. So I'll illustrate it how. Okay, so yeah. So firstly, we can you can use this same point that international frameworks like MTCR and Wassenaar arrangement are not capable to are bit useless with new modes of terrorism, and therefore there is need to upgrade them. Secondly, we can use that artificial intelligence like technologies can be explored to minimize the attacks. So we used AI wala aspect as well. And thirdly, here it is written that international cooperation and consensus on the development and deployment of technologies is the need of the hour. So you can use this aspect as third way forward to tackle the drone wala question. Okay. So this is how editorial can be explored. Moving further, I have taken another example of recently presented UP's draft population bill, which aims to promote the two-child policy and violating which a person would be debarred from the benefits like subsidies along with government jobs. Okay. So yeah. So in case of debatable issues or the controversial issues like this, we need to be well versed with the facts. We need to well versed with the good arguments, and we also need to be well versed with the examples. This would make our opinion more clear, more explanatory, and more better from the others. Okay. So firstly, this article is already, as I said, shared in the Telegram channel, so you can get it from there as well. So our minister has talked about the various initiatives, and she has also talked about the data, which highlights that our programs have been bit beneficial as well. Most importantly, she talks that yes, this box is very important. She talks that India is signatory to program of action of International Conference on Population and Development, which is actually against the coercion in the family planning. Apart from that, she also mentions that international experiences have actually shown that coercive measures in family planning have led to counterproductive results like demographic distortions and the skewed population ratio. Therefore, she has already told that central government has no plan for the two child policy. Apart from this, I have also said another editorial from the Indian Express, which talks that the success of Indian southern states related to population growth indicates the development in the social sectors like education, health, and empowerment of women. Therefore, we need to focus on this rather than the coercive measures. So the point being, I am not here to discuss about the issues. I am here to make you aware about the use of newspaper. So via these two articles, you must have got the point that you got facts related to the issue, you got good arguments related to the issue, and you got good examples related to issue, which were related to the uh, international practices as well. Therefore, your opinion on the issues would be more better and more self-explanatory from the others, and that would also face you the extra one mark, which is, as I have already mentioned in the earlier video, would make all the more difference. Okay. So but yes, another thing is, a word of caution from me is that not every editorial is important which is published in newspaper. Not every article, not every statement of central ministers is important. So the point is, one see how can one get the information that which article is important and which is not. So there are two important things which can make you aware of the importance of the article and editorial. First is the syllabus, and other thing is the previous year questions of mains. So these things would make you aware about the usage, importance, and relevance of the news article or the editorial. And in order to make your work, make your preparation, and make your study more easier, we have already created the Telegram channels for GS as well as PSIR channel, PSIR optional. Sorry. So via these two channels, we provide the good content from the newspapers as well as other web articles which can be used in our mains. So kindly follow them. And yes, you can comment on the this YouTube video to give me the further feedback and further suggestions related to the upcoming videos. So thank you all for watching this video.